Can you survive a lightning strike in your house? Lightning can unleash electrical forces far beyond what you expect, and knowing how your home handles it could save your life. Lightning usually strikes the tallest point of a structure, like your roof or chimney. It can travel through electrical wires or plumbing inside your home. However, the electricity doesn't spread evenly. Instead, it follows metal pathways, which can protect some areas while causing damage in others. This is why lightning rods and grounding systems are so important for safety. You can survive a lightning strike in your home because the electrical current usually stays in wiring or plumbing, not passing directly through people. But if you touch conductive materials like metal pipes or plugged-in devices during a strike, you risk serious injury or worse. Being inside and away from windows or electrical appliances greatly increases your chances of survival. Modern homes often have grounding rods and lightning protection systems that channel electrical energy safely into the earth. These systems reduce the risk of fire and electrocution. Additionally, unplugging devices and staying inside during thunderstorms helps minimize hazards. Knowing these precautions can be a lifesaver. So yes, you can survive a lightning strike in your house if you stay away from conductive materials and rely on your home's protection systems. Lightning is incredibly powerful, but understanding how it moves through your home helps you stay safe. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.